Sandy Gentry with the Sandy Gentry team, Remax Lakeshore.
And I'm Mackenzie with the Sandy Gentry team, Remax Lakeshore. Welcome to 19989 North Shore Drive in Spring Lake, Michigan.
We cannot wait to show you this home. Come take a look.
Some of my favorite features of this newly constructed home are the beautiful quartz countertops, the wood details including the floating shelves, the farmhouse sink, and the stainless steel appliances.
And some of the features that I love about this house is how light and airy it is. There's tons of windows throughout and a lot of the wood details, including the shiplap walls.
Walk out the beautiful 3 seasons room to your private patio.
Right around the corner, you will also enjoy deeded Lake Michigan access that is right next to the pier. For more information on this stunning home, please contact the Sandy Gentry team at 616-935-1150.